Welcome to the World United. Welcome to the World United.
Welcome everyone to the Global Transformation Summit, USA 2021. We are so excited that today has actually been manifest. As we know, that which is manifest is first created by the unmanifest, and we thank you for being a part of that creation process. And now, as we share these beautiful truths, we look forward to a full day of inspiration and light and enlightenment. And I'd like to begin by introducing our esteemed colleague and the founder of the World United, Dr. Yugandhar. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you very much, Sean. Thank you all the speakers. Thank you all the moderators. Thank you all the behind the screen members, designers, everyone who is a part of this movement. We call it as Unity Consciousness Movement. Here in the World United, everyone is a founder. Everyone is a part of this unity consciousness. The World United doesn't revolve, energy of which doesn't revolve around a person. Energy revolves around the vision and the wisdom of unity. Unity plus human turns into humanity. But unfortunately, humans ignore the being aspects inside, the very consciousness inside, and exteriorize their own senses and become a victim of this rat race called as competition and comparison. Most of the humans have been trapped in this rat race called competition and comparison. The time has come for each one of us, for all the 7.5 billion people spread across the world in different places called as countries, called as villages and cities and towns, wake up and internalize their own consciousness. Once the consciousness gets rooted, centered, grounded, then this person thrives for unity outside. So unity within is a precursor for the unity without. So the World United is aiming at unity within and unity without. And for it to happen, a critical mass awakening is very much required. As a part of that, we started, after a few events in India, we began with the first World Parliament on Spirituality in the year 2012, where around 280 speakers came from 56 nations. Our dear Sean Parry was also a part of that event in the city of Hyderabad, India. It was followed by the second one in 2016, which happened in Salt Lake City, Utah, USA. And again, Sean Parry played a very key role. Again, in the third World Parliament, which happened on a virtual platform last year. And it happened continent-wise. This is a one event for the whole world. It happened continent-wise from Australia to Asia. Around 1,000 speakers participated in this beautiful series of events, 6 events from October to December last year. And the event was closed with the Universal Meditation Hour, for which many, many people across the world participated live. As a sequel to the third World Parliament on Spirituality held last year, we decided to take this movement forward by way of conducting the Global Transformation Festival series in each and every country of the world. By the end of this month, December 2021, we are going to complete around 50 to 52 Global Transformation Festivals in this number of countries. And the saga will continue in 2022 to see that each and every country will manifest this transformation festival, and it will be followed by we are one summits which will happen state-wise in each country. So the World United policy is, we started as a single event at the globe. Now we are descending down country-wise, city-wise, and definitely village and county-wise. Over a period of 1,000 days, we have taken this challenge. Many people are coming forward to take the initiative, to take the leadership in the country of their stay or origin. And all these things are happening on a voluntary basis, unconditionally, any type of expectation whatsoever. This is what is called humanity. And it is happening right under our nose. That is the greatness of this event. That is the greatness of this unity consciousness as well. For many people, the Global Transformation Festival USA might sound or appear as a simple event like any other event in the world. But for us, it is not an event. For us, it is a clear unity consciousness movement. It's a clear, unconditional unity consciousness movement. It is very clear from our side. So, as a part of this, around 60 to 70 speakers forward to share wisdom from many states of the wonderful country, United States of America. This country is known for its leadership. This country is energy. This country is known for humanity. Much cosmopolitan nature, not only in the material world, but in spiritual world as well. This country is going to teach what is meant by spiritual leadership now to the world. So we all have beautiful, wonderful from many states of America to here to share their wisdom, the lifetime wisdom. So this is the main part of the activity. And herewith I invite our dear Sean Perry to present his address on the Council of USA, the World United USA. So when I say council, what I mean by it is a group of people who has taken inner call, who has come forward out of inner conviction for unity consciousness. So there will not be any invitations to anyone to become a council member. We just share the message. We just open the opportunity. He who has inner call can come forward, step forward to become a council member of a wing of their choice. The entire event is categorized into two parts. One is pure spirituality. The second is applied spirituality. Pure spirituality for self-realization aspects of oneself, and the applied spirituality for application of one's wisdom for various dimensions of social reality, like spirituality for health, spirituality for education, spirituality for environment, spirituality, women empowerment, youth management, governance and politics, arts and culture, so on and so forth. So we have got wonderful experts here, and I invite our dear Sean Perry to present his address for the World United Council of United States of America. Thank you very much.